You're doing it! Whoa, look at that. You made the bubble. You like the bubble snake?
Bubble me.
Blue?
Blue.
What do you think? Look at all the colors. There's the blue.
Pink. Yeah.
Pink goes right here. Oh, no, we don't eat that. You want the green now or later?
Green.
Green now. Woo! Party! I refuse to believe that I am the only mom who scrolls through TikTok and sees these DIY toddler activities, saves them, and then never does them. Today, we're gonna change that. We're going to do 5. And yes, I did pick 5 of the coolest and easiest and hopefully not too messy, but again, they're toddler activities. They're gonna be a little bit messy for us to do, and I'm gonna do them with my toddler. Number 1, we are calling the lava lamp, and all you need for this is water, some kind of vegetable oil. I'm gonna use olive oil, I hope that works. Food coloring, a vase, a flower vase, something clear and see-through. You could even do a cup. And finally, Alka-Seltzer. I feel like these are all things we probably have on hand. I had to go grab Alka-Seltzer, but let's hop into it and see how it goes. We're gonna make a lava lamp. You wanna come here? Okay. We're gonna make a lava lamp. So first, we put water in a vase. Mommy already did that. By the way, she just woke up from a nap and came straight from her dad's. So, hey, are you ready? We're doing a science experiment. You see, we're gonna put this oil in the water. You wanna come up?
Okay.
You wanna help mommy pour? You gotta pour it in. Very good, we keep pouring. We're gonna add a lot of oil. Oh, you think that's enough? Okay, I'll listen to you. So we're gonna do that much oil. And then we spilled some oil. You wanna clean that up? Very good. Now we have our colors. Which color do you want? Blue, yellow, red, green. Blue. Blue. Oh, pick one. Pick one. There's 4. Blue?
Blue.
Okay. How many drops should we do? 1, 2, or 3? 3? 1, 2, 3. Should we do one more color? Yellow? Ooh, we might make green. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. What we're gonna do, don't touch it yet. We're gonna drop this in and it's gonna become a lava lamp. Okay, so you put this in here. And watch. Watch what happens. Watch. Are you watching? No. Watch this. Look. What do you think? Look at all the colors. There's the blue. Whoa. You see how it bubbles? Bubbles, yeah. I know, it's so cool, huh? What do you think? Wow. You want to do it again? You want more?
Red.
Red? Okay, we'll do red. 1 more of these. Woo! And let's see. We might just get 1 go of it. Well, we're gonna try another experiment. We'll come back to this. Did you like this one? Was it fun?
Like it.
You liked it? We'll do more. Number 2, I did have to change a little bit. It was gonna be about learning letters and words, but I couldn't find a popsicle stick. So if you have a popsicle stick, you could do it this way, but instead I'm doing learning colors. In my version, all you're gonna need are clothespins, like those wooden clothespins. I got them at Target. And these colored dots, any type of like colored sticker. You could even use colored markers. But that's it for number 2. Let's hop in and see how it works. This is a fun color game. We're gonna do, Mommy will show you. You see how there's pink? I'm gonna put it, look, you gotta clip it like this, and then you put it on the pink one. Okay, what color do you want to do?
Blue.
Green? Push, look. Push, push. Oh, that's pulling. Okay, where does this one go?
Yeah.
Right there, that's correct. And this color? What's this color?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Yeah.
There. It's yellow.
Red.
Yellow. Where does yellow go?
Yeah.
There. Very good. Right there. What color next?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Pink goes right here. Green? Right there. You matched them all up. You did such a good job. Do you want to try it again?
Okay.
Okay, you like this one?
Yeah.
You like the lava lamp more? You can play this one again later. Mommy has another one for you. You want to do another game?
Okay.
Another one? Number 3. If you could do number 1, you can do number 3 because it's a lot of the same ingredients except you need shaving cream. So a clear vase, shaving cream, and food coloring. I'm calling this one water art. If you can think of a better name, leave it in the comments down below. But let's try this one and see how it goes. This one, we need the water again. You want to squeeze some shaving cream in like this? Here. You just push from the top. Push from the top. Whoa. Now we get to pick the colors again.
Okay.
Yeah. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Always the blue. You want to squeeze it in? You got to squeeze it in here. Very good. That's some blue.
Red.
Red. Squeeze. Yeah, very good.
Green.
Green. Yep. You want to squeeze it in? Ooh, that's good job.
Okay, yellow.
Ooh, yeah, very good. Lots of yellow.
Orange.
Orange. It is kind of orange. Now it's supposed to drop through the shaving cream. Look. Look, look. Watch it go. Whoa.
And cream.
Yeah.
Cream.
You want more whipped cream? Whoa. Oh! No. We don't eat that. That's yucky, right? Do you want some water?
Okay.
Yeah. Mommy should have told you not to eat that. Do you want to put more color in it? We don't need it. Remember, it's yucky. Yeah. Do you want to do more color?
Okay.
Which colors? Yellow? Orange?
Orange.
It's orange. Do you want to do it? Whoa.
Green.
You want to use all the green? All of it? Or should we save it so we can do this again tomorrow?
Green.
You want the green now or later?
Green.
Green now? Okay. Green. It's kind of hard to see because there's so many colors going on now, right? Yep, you covered that. Okay, what do you think?
Green.
Should we try mixing it? Whoa. You want to try mixing it? Whoa. Oh, no. It's not a smoothie. No. This is just for play. It tastes very yucky.
Yummy.
It's not yummy though. It looks yummy. Right? Look. If I go up. Up.
Okay.
Up. Up, yeah? Whoa, look, now you're getting all the colors at the top. That's cool. Look, it's like a rainbow. You remember the rainbow you saw after the rain? In the water. Whoa. Look at that. What color?
Green.
It is green. All done?
Okay.
Number 4 is actually what started this whole thing for me. A rubber band or hair tie, something to secure a baby wipe, which I know you have, to half of a plastic bottle. Just something that has a hole that you can blow in and you can cut the end off and kind of like wrap the baby, you'll see, the baby wipe around it. 1 part dish soap to 4 parts water. Yeah, that's right. And of course, food coloring. Let's see what happens. I have high hopes for this one. You want to do bubble snake?
Bubbles.
Bubble snake?
Okay.
Okay, a little bit of dish soap. Be careful with that rubber band. We don't want to lose it. Now we have soapy water. You're going to take one of your baby wipes, put it over this, and now I need that rubber band. Can you hand me the rubber band, please?
Okay.
Okay, very good. And then we snap this around. So we'll do some blue. And another color?
Red.
Red, very good.
Red.
It is kind of red, but I think it might come out yellow. Mommy's actually confused about this one.
Green.
You want green also? You want to do all the colors? Dip. And then we should be able to blow.
The water. Yeah.
Yeah, the water's over there. Mommy really wants this one to work.
Eat colors.
Yeah. Try this again. So we dip it. Is that a bubble snake?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay, here, you wanna try? You're doing it! Blow. Bubbles! Keep blowing. Whoa, look at that. You made the bubbles. Wow. Bubble snake. Bubble snake. Bubble snake. That one was not like the videos, but I think it was still fun, huh? You like the bubble snake?
Bubble me.
Yeah, bubble snake. Here, you want to clean up the bubbles and I'll get the next one ready? You might need a wipe too. Yeah, very good job.
I'll clean.
All clean. Number 5, I am calling Magic Touch. This one is really easy. All you need is like a lid or a tub of some kind. Water, household pepper, and like a little side dish for like water and dish soap. I think other than number 2, and these are just my predictions, this is gonna be the least messy unless the lid gets tipped upside down. This next one is gonna be really cool. For this one, we need a pan. Fill this up with water first. More water. I'll put it on this side because you're gonna do it, but not yet. You gotta wait. Get a lot of pepper going. A lot of pepper. See how mommy's twisting?
Okay.
Okay, and then you twist it. Keep twisting. Very good. Get it all in here. Okay, what we're gonna do with this one is we're gonna dip our finger. Dip. Can you dip? Dip your finger. No, 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 just dip your finger. Just a little dip, and then watch. What? See that? Oh, dip. I think that's it. Yep, you can do that. Woo! Party! Oopsie, that's okay. It's very slippery when it has soap on it. Did you have fun doing this one? All done? I'm all done with this one too. This one's okay, huh? That wraps up trying TikTok toddler DIY activities at home. I know we have been spending a lot of time at home with rainy days and I'm trying to cut back on the TV time. So if you are in the same boat as me, let me know if you try these in the comments down below and if you like them, and let me know and all of us know if you have any other like really easy toddler activity DIY. Because if this goes well, I definitely want to make more of these. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel a lot, and I will see you next Monday. Bye!